Hey Tim, how you doing, buddy? Leo again. We spoke earlier today, and this is the video I wanted to get over to you. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. This is the video with a couple tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website when you get it and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational. Now, see, I got you pulled up right here, one Google review. This is like your Google business profile right here, and I will cover some more of that here in just a minute, but I just wanted to pull you up, just kind of see where we're at. And what I've done was put in plumbers, Flagstaff, because I couldn't find another city with the name Flagstaff. And when I did the research on the keywords, Flagstaff, Arizona, no one in Flagstaff is really searching plumbers, Flagstaff, Arizona. They're searching plumbers, Flagstaff, electricians, Flagstaff, so they're really not adding the AZ on there. So I went down here to the number one in the organics, and that is TC Rooter. And what I'll do is just go over their website, show some things that they're doing right and some things that they can improve on. Not bashing these guys at all, just pretty much whatever they can improve on is what will be done to your website to make sure that you outrank these guys. Also pulled up the number one electrician, and there's not a lot here on their websites. There's no keywords, there's no content, nothing like that. So let's get into it. One of my biggest suggestions here would be content. Google loves content. They send bots out 24/7 to go over these sites looking for command content, keywords, photos, things like that. The home page, Google loves content again, so the home page needs to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on the home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in the Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save the photos and videos as keywords, because that's considered content as well. So if you look in here and save this image, this is what they have it up as. So when the Google bots search this site, they don't actually see a kitchen sink and the faucet in the outback wooded area. They only see what's behind the photo. So this is a missed opportunity right here. These photos need to be saved as buyer intent keywords. That is the niche and the city location. So I would have saved this one as plumbing Flagstaff, Arizona, or plumbing Flagstaff, or sink repair Flagstaff, something that tells the service and the city that it's located in. Now, what I've done actually is I've taken these guys and put them over here in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me their analytics and where they're sitting in Google's eyes. So as you see right here, they've got a 22 UR and a 0.3 DR. And the UR is the strength of their website, and the 0.3 is the trust of their website. You definitely want to have trust with Google. There's 247 backlinks and 39 referring domains. Implementing some of these tips that I'm going to show will help boost these numbers right here. Okay. If you're unfamiliar with a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. There's some backlinks that's pretty spammy, and then some that's very authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, right now, they've got 54 organic keywords, and it's driving 153 people to their website each month. And that's more like a lead generating tool. If there was zero traffic, it would be like a digital business card, an expensive digital business card at that. So they're being found for Flagstaff plumbers. Again, that is the service and the city that is located in. Sorry about that. And as you see on here, there's no one really searching for, well, right here, see, Arizona Plumbing Services. This is the whole city of Arizona. This is more of a national, what we say national keyword, but it's like a state keyword. If it was just plumbing services, it would be national. But Arizona Plumbing Services covers the whole state of Arizona. And it's a 36 keyword difficulty, also a KD. This is out of 100, and the higher the number, the harder it is to rank. So a couple keywords that they did good on is Flagstaff Plumbers. It's a KD of 7, which means it ranks pretty quickly. There's 300 people searching that phrase a month. Plumber Flagstaff, 200 people searching that a month. Flagstaff Plumber, 200. So right there is 700 searches a month just with 3 keywords. So what I do is I do all the research in the area, and then I go to your competition, and then I see what I put them in my analytic tool here and see what they're being found for as well. So this is just plumbers, plumbing in Flagstaff. So show right here 300, 200, 200. Those are some of the keywords that they had. But it goes on, you know, there's a list that goes down. So what I do is go through every single one of these lists and find all the keywords that people are being found for. And I also went through the electrical too. Electrician Flagstaff gets 350 searches a month. KD is 6, really good. Single digit KDs are really good. Flagstaff Electrical, 350, that's 700 with just the 2 right there. Flagstaff Electricians, 20, the KD is in A. So again, there's not a lot of competition out there. I feel very confident with the website being built correctly with the right content, keywords, and things on there. You can really outrank these guys and get on the first page. Now, what I've done, again, I searched Flagstaff plumbers, and at the top up here, there's usually the Google ads. It's a good way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying, it's over with. You know, you're off that front page. And this is a Google Map Pack right here. So some things to do on your Google business profile. You need to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. So every time you do a good job, you can have a business card or just a piece of paper with a QR code on it that'll link back to your Google business profile. That way, each and every one of your satisfied customers can leave you a review. Make sure the business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. On your Google business profile, there's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You definitely want to fill that out, and do not forget to add keywords in that as well, because those get pinged by the Google bots too, and it gives you more points and shows your trust and shows your strength of your website. By posting geotag, geo-branded, and geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically, and that's like I showed you in the photo. So when you're downloading these photos to your website or your Google business profile, make sure that you name them something like plumbers, Flagstaff, electrician, Flagstaff, something that has the service and the city and state that you're in as well. Adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, also known as NAP, N-A-P. So if you see NAP, that's pretty much saying it's a citation. That's your name, address, phone number. You can add those into directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, White Pages, Yelp, because honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest. And the more information you get out to as many directories as possible, it will start making Google trust you more. You know, if you get your name in all those directories, Google will know that you are a legit business. So that'll help boost your business as well. And that's not just for your area in the Flagstaff area. That also trickles out to the cities around there as well. Being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes straight to your website, and they give you a call from there. Like I said, down in the organics down here, that's where I found the tcrrouter.com. So let's pull up their website again. As you see, they do not have any content at all. I mean, one simple page of probably less than 100 words. And again, they're going to be knocked off this front page pretty quickly once the algorithm kicks in. Once the new Google updates gets rolling, they're going to start knocking these guys out of there. So that's important. We can definitely, by implementing these changes that I'm showing you to your website, you can definitely outrank these guys. And again, as you've seen, there was definitely a decent amount of volume in the plumbing area and the electrician niche. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope when you get your website going, I hope you give me a call. But if not, definitely take these things that I showed you, implement these things to your website, and I promise you, you will outrank these guys. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, I can be a resource for you. You can definitely reach out to. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Have a great day, Tim. I really appreciate you today on the phone call. Have a great day, sir.